For generations, dolphins have been considered one of the most intelligent species on the planet. Their ability to communicate using complex sounds, solve problems, and display advanced social behavior has fascinated scientists and observers around the world. However, what is publicly known is only a fraction of what is truly happening. There is a theory dismissed by many as pure fantasy, but circulating in closed research circles, that dolphins are not only developing intelligence comparable to humans, but are also transforming physically. Some classified documents, extremely hard to obtain, claim that certain dolphins are already walking in controlled environments. The origin of this theory traces back to secret projects carried out by international agencies in collaboration with private marine labs. These projects have documented dolphins' astonishing adaptability and tool usage. But what stands out most are the reports describing spontaneous bone modifications in dolphins that have spent long periods outside the water in environments designed to simulate terrestrial gravity. These facilities are often described as heavily secured, operating in isolated marine zones away from any public observation. One such report, leaked in 2021 from an experimental oceanic center in the Canary Islands, spoke of a dolphin that, after years of training and bioacoustic stimulation, began to use its fins in an upright posture. It supported itself as if trying to stand, as if it knew that was the next step, said an internal memo from the team. Surveillance footage, though never officially released, was reportedly shown to a select group of military analysts and evolutionary biologists under strict non-disclosure agreements. Another curious fact: researchers have recorded ultrasonic communication patterns so complex that a group of specialized linguists was secretly brought in to decode them. According to those sources, dolphins are not only communicating with each other, they are emitting sounds that seem to respond to frequencies used in space observation satellites. Some signals mirrored cosmic microwave background echoes, while others aligned with frequencies used in deep space communication protocols. Are they sending signals? To whom? Some researchers believe that certain animal species, such as dolphins, cats, dogs, and even certain birds, might be connected to more evolved life forms across the universe. They are not just creatures, they are receivers of knowledge. And dolphins in particular could be the most advanced of all. One hypothesis suggests that Earth may serve as a kind of living archive, with dolphins as its custodians of ancient interstellar knowledge, encrypted in their language and behavior. The boldest hypothesis, found in a document titled Project Echo X, suggests that dolphins have already received stimuli from beyond this planet, and that some of the observed mutations are not natural. It hints at the possibility of external intervention, though the source is never specified. The document also described unexplained increases in cranial capacity in certain dolphin populations, as well as sudden bursts of neuroplasticity not previously seen in the species. And strange things aren't only happening in the ocean. A few months ago, a couple reported a bizarre incident near the swamps of Florida. While driving away with a baby crocodile they had found injured, they claimed that when they released it, the animal chased them on two legs. Authorities quickly filed it as a shared hallucination, but a blurry video circulated briefly in specialized forums, clearly showing a small reptile moving bipedally for a few seconds. The video was removed within hours and replaced with a takedown notice from an unnamed federal agency. This wasn't an isolated case. In ecological reserves in Brazil and Madagascar, other reports have emerged of reptiles showing unusual behaviors, coordinated movement, responses to complex sound patterns, and even tool use. In one case, a researcher documented a small group of monitor lizards using sharp sticks to extract eggs from a hidden nest. Some speculate that a second species, possibly descended from prehistoric reptiles, is beginning a cognitive awakening. Perhaps that's why some marine labs have intensified their studies of dolphin language through vibrations, electric impulses, and sonic mapping. The priority now isn't just to understand them, but to catch up. So next time you see a dolphin leaping through the waves, don't assume it's just playing. It might be observing you, evaluating you, reminding you that maybe the truly advanced species isn't us.